Alright guys, today we're gonna do AC compressor for this RAV4 2015. So we're gonna start removing all this part, the belt. I think it will be easy if we do from the underneath. So let me start working on it. Okay, now we're gonna remove the valve stem. We're gonna replace it. Let's see if there's any air, no air, so can just basically twist. So here's the different old one, new one. Okay, I already moved the reservoir, and then right now I'm gonna remove the separating belt. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's underneath over there, 14 mm. Okay, I already removed 12 the AC pipe and the socket, so should be good to remove. And the screw top and bottom, then it should be good to take it out. Here we go. Okay, here's the new one, but basically the same part. So gonna just plug and play.
Wait.
Okay, so I already put it back. I'm just gonna tie it back, so it should do vacuum test. After that, it should be good to go. Okay, we finally done everything, so we'll just wait for the gas, like vacuum test, poking leak, then we should be good to go. Okay, RAV4.